Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a meal prep kit that I got in today. Now this is my cheese grater. I'm also going to be using this to make home chips. Now it comes with a bunch of different blades, and the blades are going to be used for a variety of different things. You could use it for making cookies. You can use it with walnuts. You can use it with cheese. You can use it with garlic, potatoes. You have such a large range of things that you're going to be able to create with this. So let's take a look at all of the different components that come in the box. All right, guys, so starting out with the base, this is the first component that you're going to receive. Now, this is what adheres to the surface that you're going to be locking this to. You guys see we have a lock and a release. So in order to lock this down, all you have to do is rotate this like so, and that will lock this in place. Now, this right here is your little silo. This is what you're going to connect to drop your blades in, and that just slides into place like so. There's a little button right here on the side that you can press to release. So you just press this little button down to take it out to clean, and it just locks it in place. It also comes with this pusher, and that just goes in like so that you can push through whatever it is you want to grade. Now it also comes with a handle, and you get 3 of the different blades. As you guys see here, this is the larger for cheese. This is the smaller one that you get. And this one right here is going to be ideal for like slicing up potatoes and other things that you want to have kind of a flat surface to them. And you also receive the handle that connects onto everything. So let's start off with making a couple of things. So first things first, we're going to take this blade and we're just going to push this guy through like so. And then we'll just take the handle, and this just locks in place like that. And to remove the handle, there's also a little switch on here that you can pull down on, and that just pops the handle right off like that. All right, so let's find something to shred. Yeah, let's get it. All right, guys, so we're gonna put our cheese shredder in here. Pop this guy on. All right, so let's grab our cheese. So we're starting out with a big block of cheese that we're going to shred. But what I'm going to do, and to make this easier on myself, I'm just going to cut this in half like so. All right, so now that we have our 2 slices of cheese, that's what we're going to start with. And we're going to just shred this down. All right, so to get started, all we have to do is drop our cheese in like so, and just apply just a little bit of pressure and just start to rotate. And you guys will see in no time the cheese will start to fall through. And then you can take your pusher and add that as well to make it easier on yourself. All right, guys, look at that. Look at all of this mozzarella cheese that we just were able to produce. That's amazing. Let's try something. All right, guys, so we're going to start with the carrot. So we're going to just swap out the blade. Let's pop this guy in here, attach the handle just like before, clip it on. All right, so now we have the slicer blade, we have this carrot, so we're gonna see what kind of result we get with that. So I'm just gonna start just holding it right here and just kind of let it rotate through and grind it down. All right, let's grab our little guide here just to push the rest of it through. All right, guys, so there are our sliced carrots. So yes, I think this is going to be an excellent addition to my home kitchen. So if you guys are looking for a way to do fast meal prep, this is going to definitely speed up your workflow. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I just want to do a quick video showing you this cool new device that I just got here in the household. And hopefully the video has been helpful, if nothing else, entertaining. I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.